Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a location and see what is happening at that area currently on the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on this what's on icon down below. That's the second option. Here you need to search for a location to see what is happening. You can either use the list option and you should select a date, or you can also use the map function. So you will be able to search for a location, or if you feel like to do so, you can also type in the name of that place that you have in mind by tapping on the search bar at the top and type in the name of that place that you are interested in. And here you should see the results. There is only one right now, so that's the page where you can read and get to know to that particular event. So here you can read about the details, prices, additional information, check it on the map, check the directions on your map, and you can also add it to your calendar, or if you have any further questions you can contact them by via phone or email. But if you would like to book it, you can also book it now by tapping on this button, and then you will be directed to a page where you can proceed with this booking process. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.